Sup traders, welcome back to my channel. So ngayon guys, ituturo ko sa inyo ang ating crab pattern. Part pa rin ng ating harmonic series which will be the last pattern na ituturo ko sa inyo guys, and we will move on into SMC or smart money concept trading tayo guys. So tara, simulan na natin to. Okay, so guys, as you can see on my chart, meron tayo ditong drawing, no? Ganito ang sample ng bearish crab pattern. So W, pero yung C to D leg niya, mataas ang impulsive wave, okay? So mahabang legs ito guys. So that's how you determine a bearish crab, no, or bullish crabs. Yung C to D point niya will be the longest part of its legs, no? So bullish crab naman, ganito tayo, letter M ulit, and then mahabang legs again into C to D legs, and then expecting a reversal on D point dito. After mahabang downtrend dito sa bullish crab, we expect the D point to reverse, or the price to reverse rather. Dito rin sa bearish crab, C to D leg, mahabang uptrend, and then we expecting D leg to reverse into downtrend, no? So tara guys, simulan na natin dito. I've prepared some samples. Ito guys, itong letter X na to, this will be our example, and this will be our X to A leg. So we have our rules, crab pattern rules. Getting B, okay, X to A of Fibonacci retracement, 0.382 to 0.618. So that's in between guys. So dito na yung magiging ating point X. So minark ko na siya as point X natin. Okay, so kunin natin yung Fibonacci. We'll put it into harmonic settings. Fibonacci settings natin guys, meron tayong video andi dito, in-upload ko na. Copy nyo na lang yan kung hindi nyo pa na-set up yung harmonic settings nyo. So tuloy tayo. Okay, so i-retrace ko lang tong X point ng Fibonacci dito sa week na to. So guys, we are in Matic USD within the 15 minutes time frame, no? So yan yung gamit natin. Dito ko nakita tong pattern na to. Okay, X leg. Okay, retrace to our A leg. So guys, this will be our A leg. Etong line na to, zoom ko ng konti. This will be our A leg, no? So let's mark it down. Okay, this will be our A leg. Okay, now we should be getting the 0.382 to 0.618, no? So ito nga guys, ito yung A, nakuha niya itong 0.618 natin. Okay, so i-zoom ko lang. So dito, ito yun guys, no? Na-hit niya yung 0.618, which is ito. So sana nakikita, no? Itong line na to, tinamaan ng isang week na candle, no? Dito sa 618 natin. So this will be a valid B point. Okay, so moving on, now we're getting the C point. Okay, getting the C point, A to B leg, A to B retracement of Fibonacci 0.382 to 0.886. So 382 to 0.886 area. So A to B retracement lang ulit ng Fibonacci. Kunin natin tong sa taas ng A, pababa ng B leg. Okay, 886, 382 to 886 area. Yan ang hinahanap nating area, no? So, zoom ko to. So, ito ang magiging point C natin. Kasi ito yung tumama sa 0.886. Dito, no? Sa may pinakamataas dito part. So, this will be our point C. It's a valid point C kasi na-hit niya yung 886 area natin, which is ito. Nag-close din yung body niya dun sa line ng 886. So, valid C point siya. Yan. So, meron tayong X, A, B, C. So, ganyan na tayo. Pwede natin buuin to guys. Ito yung X, ito yung B, ito yung, okay, ito yung C. Potential D leg natin, ito. Okay? So, ito na ang kukunin natin na is D point of getting the D. B to C point, 2.24 to 3.618 Fibonacci retracement. 2.24 to 3.618 Fibonacci. So that's B to C. Kunin natin tong sa B leg papunta ng taas ng C leg. Okay? Okay, so now ang respected area niya is 2.24, which is nagko-coincide sa ating D point. So valid crab pattern to, 2.24 to 3.618. So ito yung line na to guys. Dito yung reversal point niya or potential reversal zone or PRZ. So ito yung PRZ niya guys. Okay, so mark natin ang PRZ. Okay. Yan yung PRZ niya guys, or potential reversal zone. Dito yung mataas yung chance na mag-reverse siya. So guys, so paano nyo iti-trade ito, no? So paano nyo siya iti-trade? So how can you trade this crab pattern? How can you anticipate it? So ang ginagawa ko guys, and sa rules ng crab pattern mismo, ang entry point, pwedeng D point, pwedeng mismong D point yan, pero may chances na ma-stop loss ka dyan kaagad guys. So ang ginagawa ko, ang entry point natin is 1.618 of X to A Fibonacci retracement. Okay? So mag-fib lang ako dyan. X to A, X papunta ng A, then kukunin ko yung 1.618. Okay? Kukunin ko itong 1.618. That will be my entry point. Okay? That will be my entry point. Ito yung 1.618 area natin. That will be my entry point. So, eto guys, nasa C-leg pa lang to. Abangan mo siya, kukunin mo na yung D niya. Ma-mark down mo yung possible 2.24, which is ito. Okay, 2.24. Linyahan mo yan. Yan yung mga aabangan mong areas, no? 2.24. Pwede ka mag-entry dyan, pero as I've said, medyo risky yon kasi pwede kang may stop loss lalo na kapag crab pattern ng tinitrade mo. So kaya nga meron siyang designated na SL na rule, no? Na nasa 2.0 area. So, para hindi kayo ma-stop loss, okay? So, ang entry point ko dito ako sa 1.618, okay? So, e-entry ka dyan, 1.618, which is kitang-kita guys, no? Respected niya itong area na to, okay? Respected niya itong area na to. Once na na-hit tong 1.618 area natin, 1.618, okay? Ito yun. Once na na-hit tong 1.6 area natin, automatic nag-reverse siya agad pataas, no? So, respected niya talaga yung ating entry point. Okay, so, paano naman natin kukunin ng stop loss natin? Okay, so, ganito lang ulit. X to A leg lang ulit. Fibonacci retracement, 2.0 naman, no? Ang kukunin natin na level. So, kanina, entry point natin, X to A, 1.618. Ang SL natin, 2.0. Okay, so, X to A leg lang ulit. 2.0. So, ito guys, ito yung 2.0. So, that will be your stop loss. Okay, so, you're set. Now, getting your TP area. Now, getting your TP area, it's up to you guys. Pwedeng kunin mo tong letter B, B point natin. Pwede mong kunin yan. Okay? Pwede mong kunin yan. Safe yan. Pwede ka rin mag C point. Okay? Yan. Pwede ka rin gawing C point yan, which is itong ratio ng trade na to is 1:4.5. Okay? So, pwede ka rin mag Fibonacci dito. A to D point. Okay? Habang on trade ka, pwede mo nang i-retrace yan. And kunin mo itong 618 area. Okay? So, which is nagko-coincide lang dun sa B point natin. Almost same lang sa B point natin. So, yan. Yan ang mga pwede mong TP areas, guys. Okay, so sana guys may natutunan kayo, no? So feel free to comment down below kung may mga questions kayo regarding the pattern, regarding harmonics, regarding any trading strategies, guys, no? So request lang kayo, baka gawa natin ng mga videos yan, guys, no? So thanks for watching. See you. Peace out.